Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Huawei FreeLace Pro earphones. If you're having any kind of issues with them, with the sound not being right or something like that, or the controls not working, a hard reset can quickly fix them, and it's very easy to do. So all we need to do is we're going to come in here, and on the little control panel here, you see how you have your volume up, your volume down button and everything, and actually on the side of that, you have this button here. So what you need to do, and right next to that button, there is a little indicator light. So what you need to do is you need to press and hold that button for about 10 seconds. And after the time is up, just keep holding it for about 10 seconds. Don't let go. And after about 10 seconds, the indicator light will show up red. So when the light turns red, you know, then you have to give the earphones a couple more seconds to finish, and then they will be reset to their factory default settings. Thanks a lot for watching.